Morning guys, it's 10 a.m. in the morning and I should have been in bed right now, but like I didn't wake up. I could have been up in like 7 to 9 hours ago. But like, yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna shower first and then head to bed. Bye bye. Hey guys, I'm like, ignore this because it's cold and like, yeah. So anyway, I felt so much for Mina and I'm so glad. An hour later, I'm going to be at my destination, finally. Okay, bye bye.